Good morning, dear students. Welcome to geography class again. We are learning about the monsoon mechanism. We are learning about the origin of the monsoon wind and the beginning of the monsoon in our country, and then we have learned about the two branches of the monsoon wind. No, monsoon wind has two branches. One is originating from the Arabian Sea, and the second one is originating from the Bay of Bengal. So something more about the monsoon. Monsoon refers to the seasonal wind of the Indian Ocean and Southern Asia. Already we have learned it is a seasonal wind. Okay, of the Indian Ocean and the Southern Asia blowing from the southwest in summer. During the summer months, now it is the summer, no. What is the direction of the southwest monsoon? I mean monsoon wind, southwest direction, and from the northeast in winter. Summer monsoon and the winter monsoon, no. And in the winter it is from northeast. It is one of the oldest and most anticipated weather phenomena, and an economically important factor that affects the Indian subcontinent every year from June to September. Why it is an important economic factor? We know that millions of farmers in India are depending monsoon for agriculture. So if the monsoon is okay, if the monsoon is sufficient, okay, so that will enrich the production of wheat and many other things during this season. That is why it is an important, economically important factor. Okay, now the unique geographical features of the Indian subcontinent, along with the associated atmospheric, oceanic and geophysical factors, influence the behavior of the monsoon. Sometimes you know that monsoon is early arrival of monsoon, late arrival of monsoon, sufficient monsoon, weak monsoon. Okay, the various characteristics of the monsoon because of its effect on agriculture, flora and fauna, and other economic, social and environmental effects. The monsoon is one of the most anticipated, tracked and studied weather phenomena in the region. An important feature of the Indian climate, the monsoon, arrival of the monsoon. Okay, and now listen, we will learn something about the Bay of Bengal branch of the monsoon. Bay of Bengal, the second branch of the monsoon, Bay of Bengal. Okay, so please remember the beginning of the monsoon. No, okay, on every year from 1st June to 5th June there is the coming or beginning of monsoon, and we have already learned which place of India receives monsoon first. Malabar coast of Kerala receives monsoon first, and we have learned about the two branches of the Indian monsoon. Okay, now listen, the second one, Bay of Bengal branch. Okay, Bay of Bengal. Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Sri Lanka are the first to receive rainfall from the Bay of Bengal branch. Andaman and Nicobar Island, where is the location? Please remember this. The Bay of Bengal branch advances north-eastward after picking moisture from the Bay of Bengal. One wind is originating from the Bay of Bengal, picking more moisture, and then coming to other place. The main target of the Bay of Bengal is low pressure area in North Myanmar. However, a part of it is intercepted by the northeast Himalayas, including Garo, Khasi and Jaintia hills. Three hills, no? Okay. Garo, Khasi and Jaintia hills. And now, Mount Sindram, 16 kilometers west of Cherrapunchi, gets the heaviest annual rainfall in the world. Okay, 1187.3 centimeters in 1 year. This is relief rainfall, orographic or relief, because of the presence of hills. Shillong, on the other hand, lying in the rain shadow of Khasi Hills, gets little rainfall. We know what is rain shadow or windward side and the leeward side. Okay, Mount Syndrome. Okay, Mount Syndrome. Let me say more about the Mount Syndrome. Mount Syndrome is a village in the East Khasi Hills district of Meghalaya, 65 kilometers from Shillong. It is capital of Meghalaya. It is the wettest place on the earth, we know. Okay, and what is rainfall also we have every year the village gets more rainfall, no? Okay, why it is so? Because of the following reasons. Listen, the warm moist winds of the northward moving air from the Bay of Bengal. During the monsoon, a wind is originating. The warm moist winds of the northward moving air from the Bay of Bengal during the monsoon, which cover an extensive area but are forced to converge into the narrower zone over the Khasi Hills, thus concentrating their moisture there only. Okay, and the alignment of the Khasi Hills, east to west, that is alignment, places them directly in the path of the airflow from the Bay of Bengal, producing a significant uplift. Cooling, okay, take place. Again, there is condensation and thus more rain. One more reason is that as it located in the southern slopes of the Khasi Hills, and the place is bordered by hills on the three sides, thereby wind that moves in southwest tries to surpass but gets hindered by the mountains, thereby the Bay of Bengal branch monsoon gets stuck to this place. So the presence of three hills, no, here we have learned Garo, Khasi and Jaintia hills. Okay, it is a reason, okay, for this more rainfall in Mount Syndrome. Okay, the place near Cherrapunji in Meghalaya, okay, state gets the highest rainfall. Then the remaining portion of the Bay of Bengal branch is deflected towards west along the Himalaya. However, the rainfall goes on decreasing as it proceeds through the Ganga Valley. The current finally merges with the Arabian Sea branch and sheds remaining moisture at the foothills of the Himalayas. There is the meeting of the two branches of the monsoon, no? The Arabian Sea branch and the Bay of Bengal branch will meet, no? Okay. So the current finally merges with the Arabian Sea branch and the sheds remaining, okay, foothills Himalaya. On its way, it gives rainfall to West Bengal, Indo-Gangetic Plain, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana and Punjab. So listen, we are learning about an important phenomenon of the Indian climate, that is the presence of monsoon, a seasonal wind that is originating from the Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal during the summer season, and that wind is coming to India and other parts of Asian continent and giving us rainfall. No, please remember, while moving towards the land, it is picking more moisture from the Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. We can say moisture laden wind, and due to various factors, that wind is shedding its moisture on the land. This is the reason for the summer monsoon or the southwest monsoon. Summer monsoon or the southwest monsoon, southwest direction, no? Okay, monsoon mechanism. And tomorrow or in the next video, we will learn the retreating southwest monsoon. In the month of October, November, we will learn what is the retreating monsoon, retreating meaning. I will explain. So here please, I already said no, textbook is available in the school office, so please purchase the textbook and other things. Okay, it will help you. You have to revise a lesson. That is very important. Every day revision is important. Okay, so thank you. We'll continue.